again, Kathy Cregan with Tax Magic Podcast. Hey, are you still waiting on your IRS refund this year? Did you ask for it to be direct deposited or perhaps by check? Well, if it's by check, you're among 830,000 filers that the House Ways and Means Committee Democrats sent a letter to the IRS Secretary and acting IRS commissioners got sent this week, wanting to know why they haven't received it. Well, the letter is number CP 53E notice that you will have received from the IRS that says they want your updated banking information. If you want your refund paid, you have to respond to that letter within 30 days. However, the two members in the subcommittee said that they reviewed the IRS notice and they called the IRS phone lines. In quotes, we learned that there is no simple process for these taxpayers to request an immediate release of the refund by paper check without waiting at least 10 weeks. So, unquote. So if you're due a refund and do not provide them the details that they're asking for, you're going to wait up to 10 weeks to get your refund check. By the way, that's after the 4 that you just waited for. Well, this came out last March when the president issued an executive order saying he wanted to go to all electronic transfers to and from the government. There is announced in September, and I talked about it back in January. None of us, well, at least I didn't think they could act this fast. They don't do anything fast, so why would this be that fast? Well, it was. So, having to deal with it, you're going to have to do it. It can't be done by a CPA or a tax preparer. Even if we have a power of attorney, we can't do it. You're going to have to do it as a taxpayer. You're going to actually have to go to the irs.gov website, set up an account, put in the information about your bank, and then wait to see what happens. If you put in the wrong information, it's going to still take 10 weeks to get it. If you put in the correct information, it could be 21 days, which is roughly 3 weeks. So if you don't want to give them their information, then open a bank account, have them deposit into the new bank account, and then close the bank account. It's pretty simple. That way, you give them what they want, and you still get what you want because you don't have to give them permanent information. I'm sure that's not the right way to do it, but that's certainly how I would do it. Now, the CPAs can't really help you on this, nor can anybody else. You're the only one that can do it. So remember that. So if you wait the 10 days or 10 weeks, not 10 days, to get the checks, they're going to issue them by paper, but you're going to wait. If you go out and you make the change at the irs.gov website like they're asking you to, you're going to know within 24 to 48 hours if you look in your account online, or you can go to Where's My Refund tool on the same page. Guys, this isn't changing. They're going to enforce it. So we're going to take you from tax tragic to tax magic, because the more you know, the less you owe. Stay tuned for more, because it's not going to change. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, it is. It's going to change. That's why you stay tuned.
This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional advice of any kind. Always consult with your tax professional. Be sure to read this full disclosure. Listener discretion is advised.